MAPEI's new website and app feature all the useful tools that you've come to rely on, as well as powerful new enhancements. MAPEI's newly enhanced CAD Spec Guide allows users to create a CSI 3-part specification using the latest industry-approved methods for the installation of ceramic, glass, and stone. The process is user-friendly. Search by keywords such as floors, walls, interior, or exterior. Search by installation category or method, or search by application type, such as bathroom floor, shower wall, or balcony deck. The comprehensive guide allows users to search through a wide variety of installation categories, including ceramic tile, gauged porcelain tile, stone tile, resilient, wood, carpet, and structural waterproofing. The final specification packages can be customized to bundle a variety of documents: CAD and specification, AutoCAD DWG file, technical data sheets for MAPEI products listed in the CAD and specification. MAPEI's CAD Spec Guide, a powerful tool to increase your productivity. Discover the online power of MAPEI.